guys. Hey, James. This down in here don't feel right. Hi. Yeah. Sounds good out here. One time for the road. Yeah. All right, you guys. So this is the part during Soundcheck Party when you guys get to ask us some questions. Now, I'm going to assume that you guys are all like uber Backstreet Boy fans. Which means you guys probably already know everything about each of us. So this is your chance. Your one chance to ask us things you don't know. The dirty birdie stuff. All the good stuff you've always wanted to know. Now, we're going to switch things up today. We're not doing it? Okay. Why not? Okay. Never mind. There was going to be something special, but... Vegas, put your hands together for the one and only, Mr. Justin Segura! Talk about an Uber fan. Oh no, there you go. Yeah, that's how Kathy says hi. All right. Dude, that's so funny. Oh no. That's how you say hi. That's bad.
Where's the old guy?
Yeah, where's the old guy? The old man. There, oh, he's right there. Get him. Get him. Tackle him. Get him. Come here, baby. Yeah, see? Get him. Yeah. Oh yeah, get it. There it is. Kathy's twerking.
Do you remember the last time I saw you backstage? Staples Center. Yeah. Nobody knew he was going to come out during I Want It That Way. You've been on a little break for a while. I see you backstage. He's like, don't tell anybody I'm here. 10,000 people lost their shiz. And you came out and sang this line from I Want It That Way.
Now I can see them. Now I can see them from afar. Who's your shiz? No matter the distance, I want you to know deep down inside.
I was there too, all just screamed for like 2 solid minutes. It was crazy. All right, I'm actually taking over Q&A, so I'm going to moderate.
Yes, what a treat.
I love these guys. Do you remember the first time we met?
Yes, I think it was here in Vegas. You sat in my lap because you were hosting the Billboard Awards. And you could not get our names right for anything. What to think. You said, she was asking us questions. She's like, what do you think about it, Joe? Yeah. What do you think about RG? Yes, what's up, Nick? Yes.
I kept calling you Nick.
Yes.
All right, so we have so many questions, but first, there's the Kathy Griffin song request list. That's right. All right, let's see. Because AJ made the mistake of telling me that these guys don't even necessarily remember all of their songs.
It's been a long time. We have lots of albums.
They have such a catalog that let's just play a little game called Do You Even Remember Your Own Freaking Giant Hits?
Okay, let's try it. Oh no. Here we go. Let's see what we got.
Last night I saw fireworks.
The kind they never last.
suspecting Sunday.
I
suspecting Sunday, though.
Yes. Sing it.
That's it? You're gonna sing it?
Last night I saw the fireworks. The kind of thing that never hurts. The one you need to love is maybe another unsuspecting Sunday. I know. I don't remember that one.
1, 2, 3, go. Hey, Mr. DJ.
Keep playing that song for me. I'm on the floor in my arms. She's got me. Let's get it on. Let's get it on. Jam all night long. Mr. DJ, Mr. DJ, play for me. Mr. DJ, no real jam. I saw you standing there. Hey, Mr. DJ, just play that song for me.
I got it. What do you see? Inconsolable. Go.
Nick, go. Nick.
I don't wanna waste another day.
Hey.
Keeping it inside is killing me. 'Cause all I ever want, it comes right down to you, to you. I wish that I could find the words to say. Baby, I'll tell you every time you. I make this all about. I climb the walls.
A little number called Shape of My Heart.
Wait, start off, man. Gotta get this right. Looking back on things. Alright, ready? Wait, hold on. That's not the right. It's not the right key. Baby, please try to forgive me.
How's that?
Stay here. Don't put out the love. If anything makes me weaker, you can save me from the man that I become. Because here we go. Looking back on the things I had done, I was trying to be someone. I played my part and kept you in the dark. And now let me show you the shape of my heart. You know what it is? That was?
There's one other one. God, I hope you guys remember it. It was one of your biggest hits. Oh yeah, Bye Bye Bye.
I don't know the words of this song. Wait, how's it go? Where's it going? AJ knows it. No, it goes. Yeah, but I can't remember the words. I think she got us, guys. I don't know. I won't get it. If they think that's just another play. Yes, you got all that other stuff. It's just another play. But it ain't no lie. Bye, 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 bye. We can't remember. We used to know like. I can't even remember the melody.
AJ has actually sung Gone to me.
Oh, yeah, that was a long time ago.
A long time ago, we were sitting next to each other and said, I don't know what's going on. I keep singing that effing and sing song Gone.
You mean actually Justin's first solo record?
Oh, that's right.
Yes, actually. It wasn't really truly an sing song, it was Justin's first solo.
Do you remember any of it?
No.
I don't either.
Sorry.
I remember Gone.
Anybody remember? I remember this.
What?
Baby, gone. That's all I remember.
Hey, as long as I got my suit and tie, I'm good.
All right, let's get some questions.
Yeah.
All right, Joy, just calling hands. All right, shout nice about a girl in the white who jumped up like that with no straps on her dress. What kind of girl? All right, what's your question?
Hello.
Keep jumping.
Hey, Howie, behave yourself. Wait, hold on, wait.
Go get him, bro. Go get him. You forgot all these straps.
No, she has no straps. Strapless.
Okay, hold on, I gotta break. Oh my god.
What's your name?
This is happening. My name's Shauna. Hi. Do you guys have a track